Hi guys, welcome to my channel where I talk about Haitian cooking, language, and culture. I'm Rachel and I'm so glad that you're here. I would like to talk about eating a Haitian food diet while also being health conscious. I've heard the complaint before that Haitian food is not healthy because of too much oil in the cooking, too much white rice, too much Maggi or bouillon cubes. So I would just like to talk about how my family and I eat 80 to 90% Haitian food while also being health conscious. The first tip that I'd like to share with you to eat health conscious while having a mostly Haitian food diet is to use butter or avocado oil in the place of just regular canola or peanut oil with frying and cooking. Second, instead of using Maggi in your cooking, try a Better Than Bouillon or another natural bouillon substitute. Third, you can use parboiled rice or other rices instead of just white rice. Fourth, you can make the switch to all organic spaghetti and pasta. Fifth, we use fresh organic Haitian coffee in the mornings, and when that runs out, we will buy an organic name brand here in the US. Sixth, we add in a lot of protein. So if I'm making spaghetti, I will always have boiled eggs, ham, maybe hot dogs in it. And then whenever we are making meat sauces, we do a lot more meat than a typical Haitian household would. 8, we use organic sugar-free ketchup. 9, we use Himalayan pink salt and steer clear of the white table salt. And number 10, we rotate our grains. So instead of just having rice, we have quinoa, rice, pitsimi, maïs moulin, blé, and we kind of rotate them, switch them out so we're not just having rice all the time. Let me know what you think of my health-conscious Haitian cooking tips in the comments below.